Right now, Bitcoin is breaking down, and in this exact video, I will be talking about my price targets. I will be talking about all the things that are currently going down in the charts, because there are many things to discuss right now, because Bitcoin is indeed, in fact, breaking below its previous range low in the market. Also, currently, we have been exactly retesting the level I've been talking about on yesterday's video, where I have been saying we should be long this level if we do come down towards it, and much more will be getting discussed on today's update video. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Can we once again smash it back above 400 likes? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. And first of all, since we've been consolidating in this market for quite a while here, basically what we have been doing, we've been forming, of course, lower highs ever since we created this trend here, and we've been forming higher lows ever we've been trading in this trend as well. And since we officially broke below this 16.4k, that was basically the confirmation that we could be looking at shorting positions on the market. So after we broke below it, we either saw another continuation towards the downside all the way back towards levels I've been talking about yesterday in the update video, because yes, I have been talking about a potential range we could be trading right now, where we're going to be shorting the top side, where we're going to be longing the lower side, and as soon as we're going to be either break below the lower side, we're going to go in with a short, and as soon as we do break above the top side, we're going to go in with a long position. So currently we can see we've been once again retesting the lower side of support, and we so far have been seeing a very significant bounce from it. If we do break below it, it is going to confirm an even bigger continuation of this symmetrical triangle breakdown we can clearly see right here. So what is the important support to be looking at right now? It's going to be the 15.8k, and if we do break below that level, I honestly do expect this market is going to tank way more, and probably we're going to fall towards the downside in an even more faster and an even more significant pace that we've already seen. So yet so far, we're still holding on towards the support, so this could be potentially a bounce if you're going to be trading it back towards the upside of an approximately 7%, and that is actually quite a significant bounce if you would ask me. But once looking at the 4-hourly time frame, we can currently clearly see we have been officially confirmed the breakdown, and the realistic price target we are going to be looking for is all the way down towards approximately $14,000 for Bitcoin. So yeah, this one is breaking bearish. Only I've been saying it for quite a while on the channel right now already. As long as we're not breaking below the previous range low in the market, that is of course around that 15.8k target. I mean, I wouldn't necessarily be 1000% convinced that we actually are going to go towards that $14,000 target, right? However, we officially did broke bearish of this pattern. This is not a good development at all. And yeah, the realistic price target is laying somewhere around $14,000, and that is definitely a target we could be visiting. And of course, as soon as we do break below 15.8k, it is going to give the confirmation that we're potentially straight away heading towards that level. So keep your eyes wide open. On the 4-hourly time frame, it's also around $16,000, 15.9k. You can see this support box from the 4-hourly time frame. This could be potentially be a triple bottom for Bitcoin. Only I do need to see a strong bounce from this level right here happening. Otherwise, it won't be looking like a triple bottom at all, because yes, so far we officially still broke bearish. I mean, the odds for Bitcoin moving down are only likely from of this point. It is less likely that Bitcoin is going to be moving towards the upside. And only for me, the criteria where I'm waiting for to open up that shorting position is just a break below this support box, because that will give me a very clear, easy shorting position with enough confirmations that we're going to go lower. So if you want to be trading this as well, don't forget to check out Bybit or BitGet in the link in the description. These exchanges are allowing you to trade Bitcoin, and if you're in the US, you can use BitGet. If you're anywhere else in the world, you can check out Bybit, and Bybit is also currently running a $30,000 deposit bonus. So check it out right now in the link in the description right here on this video. Furthermore, looking at Bitcoin on the 12-hour time frame, you can see once again we're coming down again. The volatility is starting to be picking up again after we've been seeing a very boring week basically last week around. Right now, finally, volatility is starting to pick up here. The main level of resistance on the top side is definitely going to be around $18,000. Just to point this out here, if we do come back up, $18,000 is going to be an important level to be breaking above. And actually, I wouldn't be surprised if we do get a very big rejection from this level. So if we come up, the $18,000 could be a very good shorting opportunity as well. And if we do break above it, of course, we're going to see further continuations towards the upside. Looking at the daily time frame, we've been almost touching that 15.8k target once again. We just were a few dollars off, but 15.8k is very important support. If we fall below it, it's going to be 15.2k. If we fall below that level, it's going to be 14.2k. So make sure to keep your eyes wide open on these targets. These are my targets where I expect the market is most likely going to be finding a lot of support from. So keep your eyes wide open on these levels right now. Furthermore, looking at the weekly time frame, since we closed the previous weekly candle in the red, we are officially not confirming a bullish divergence on the weekly time frame yet so far. So right now we have to wait another 6 days and 18 hours before we potentially confirm a bullish divergence on the weekly time frame. So yesterday I talked about that potentially the weekly candle close could be confirming the weekly bullish divergence for Bitcoin. However, it's not happening right now. So for that signal, we still have to wait another 6 days and 18 hours before potentially we are going to confirm a weekly bullish divergence. So this is it for me on today's update video. I truly hope I informed you well enough about what currently is going down and how you basically should be approaching the charts right now today. Anyways, this was it for me on today's update video. Thank you so much for watching towards another amazing update video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because once we do see a volatile move in the market, a breakdown and breakout, I will be jumping live on the channel. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Check out the videos that are currently popping up above if you want to be making passive income in the industry. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.